Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to translate a web page using Google Chrome on your computer. So pretty straightforward tutorial here guys, and we're going to go jump right into it. So usually when you navigate to a page that's not in your normal language, or perhaps it's a secondary language that you are interested in, or perhaps it's just a link that you got sent to, and you really don't understand anything on the page, there's a very good chance that Google Translate already has a translation ready for you. So if you're on the Google Chrome web browser, which I would suggest that you go on for this tutorial, navigate to whatever page you want to translate, and then near the top right corner of the URL bar next to the favorites star, there should be a little page icon where it says translate this page, where you hover over it. You want to just go ahead and left click on that. It's going to ask translate this page. You can select translate, and you can also select the options button here, and it gives you options to just always translate and never translate or change languages. And I'm just omitting the word Spanish as in the case of this article here, but you can select whatever you want, doesn't really matter. But for most people, you can just go ahead and select this translate button without changing any of the options. So by translating it, it's going to give you a fairly well-written translation. It's not perfect, but usually it's pretty good. And there you go guys. So you can always switch back to the original by clicking on show original. Even if you click out of it, you can still, if you change your mind later, click on it again and then show original. So pretty straightforward process there guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.